Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for C++ programming. Codeium's AI powered features can help you write C++ code more efficiently by providing intelligent suggestions and completions. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Codeium extensions installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new C++ project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you begin typing your C++ code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions will appear in a drop-down menu right next to your cursor. Now to accept a suggestion, simply press Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your project. Codeium can assist with various aspects of C++ development such as writing functions, loops, and classes. It offers intelligent suggestions based on best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a function definition, Codeium will suggest the complete function signature including parameter types and return type, helping you write code faster and with fewer errors. When working with standard libraries like STL, Codeium can provide relevant code completions for functions, classes, and algorithms, making it easier to use these powerful tools effectively. Codeium also helps with error reduction by suggesting correct syntax and flagging potential issues as you type, making your C++ code more robust and error-free. To customize Codeium's behavior for C++, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown, language-specific settings, and many more. Use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your C++ code. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for C++ programming. This tool can significantly boost your productivity and help you write clean, efficient C++ code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.